So we just arrived to the boat and now we're gonna go unpack. Hi little baby! Here we have the kitchen, Sissy's room, and this is the bathroom. We have a shower and a little toilet, and then this is our room. We have a little window. It has a thing for light, and then it has a mosquito thingy protector. So now we're gonna unpack. We have the drawers. This is a bed. It's actually like for one, maybe this is the smallest room. Plug our phones and charge. The medusas of Valencia. You do not want to fall in there, Fifi.
Sex.
How many people does it take to make a call?
I have no idea.
At what time did you wake up today, Captain?
Tomorrow.
Yesterday? Today? What?
Oh, what's the question? 7. We left the marina, and since everybody is sleeping, I'm awake. We fill up all the water. We arrange cables, and there's no wind. We are so slow. It will take up to tomorrow.
Yay!
¿No has comenzado todavía en este viaje?
We're still waiting for the... Cheers!
Espero que os guste esto.
Day 1 in Caladort. The hombres have gone to put the motor on the Zodiac. And here we have Esvedra, the rock of energy. Vamos que nos vamos. We're home. Got the glasses all dirty, baby. Good boy. Una, dos y... walked 50. We're taking off to Formentera. Oh my god.
Biliyor musun? Daha öbürle ilgili kaç para kazanlar var? Evet. Gelişti de onu Hayır, hayır. Kilo kartı. Securité.
En este modo, espera. En este.
Time to go home. Qué horrible. ¿A qué? Buenos días. And my phone goes flip. Right?
Sí, a mí también.
Time to go shopping. Just dropped off food. Vámonos. Perfection. Ooh. And then to the boat. Dinner time. Dinner time. Wow.
Gracias, hermano.
And dinner was served. He's so cute. Oh. I woke up this morning at 8:30 to walk my baby. And the captain's finally awake. Off we go.
Towing bile yaptı. Fantastileri var, her şey var.
So today on the schedule we have coming to land, check. Walking Fifi, half check. Returning this truck that we're driving. And go back to our dinghy. Take the dinghy back to the boat. We're gonna go to another cala. And...
Formentera this time.
Oh, really?
We're gonna go to
Too
Formentera.
far.
Cala Saona.
That's super far, but okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going back to Valencia when?
First Cala North.
Cala Norte. Okay. And then tomorrow we're going to...
No, maybe tonight.
Oh wow, very long day ahead of us.
Maybe we are gonna go directly from Formentera to Valencia.
That sounds better. Finished our errands and now we're going back to the boat. On the hunt for dolphins. Today's the last day for the last breakfast. Back. Now that we've arrived to land, we're taking our laundry to the laundry place. Now we're gonna go through the rest of the track. I've only been walking for 10 minutes under the sun. About to pass out. You know, it's been a long walk when you have to take a bathroom break. Honestly, we could have taken these classes to Madrid. That would have been faster.